Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I have my second cat journal. This is Henrietta. She is just adorable. Look at her. Look how beautiful she is. I finished her this morning. My other cat journal yesterday sold. So I'm trying to get these done and put up before I go away. So let me just tell you about her. So this is the lovely, gorgeous image. She's on vintage book page, and this is a cardstock journal rather than a fabric covered one, which yesterday's was, but this has got this gorgeous lace across the spine, and this goes all the way back, majority of the back cover, and then you've got this lovely cardstock. I've used cream satin. Oops, I need to sort that out, Channelle. Just noticed my end there was not very attractive. Right, I'm so sorry about that. So we have this gorgeous cream satin ribbon enclosure, and we have lots of little dangly charms on here as well, and there's lots of goodies inside. So in the front cover we have this gorgeous pocket, and it's got this lovely vintage lace and just some collage in there, and in here you have a gorgeous cat tag that has got vintage book pages on the back. Most of these have got the vintage book page on the back. It's not coffee dyed by me. This is a very, very old book. It's 1905 or 4 or something like that, but it's just all patinaed, is that what the word is? And I've sewn around it, and it's got lovely eyelash trim and ribbon. So that's the first pocket there. These are vintage books. This is a French vintage book, which all of the cat journals have got one of the pages, because I loved the colourful images. I've put some lovely trim that I got from AliExpress, and this is a flip out like that, and you've got loads of writing space. Edith Holden, and then we've got like a tab and a little cat. Excuse my nails, I'm covered in glue and stuff. It's got a little cat charm on them. They've all got the cat charm. And then, oops, all writing space here. One of my bags, it says lucky me for finding you. It has a lovely, gorgeous tag in here. And again, it's got this vintage paper on the back, and it is a double pocket because you've got one in the no, I put this one has only got the one pocket, sorry. I thought I'd secure it because this tag is quite big, so you've just got the one pocket there, but it does kind of open out like that. More vintage paper and book pages, I should say. Some lovely patterned paper, one of my cat stickers with some more vintage book pages, more writing space. This is vintage ledger. Excuse me. And then we have some vintage music paper with some lace here, and then I just stamped an image and made a journaling card, and then it just got some ephemera there. I've got some little paw prints down the side, some lovely flower pages, a little tuck spot from one of the Tim Holtz die cuts, and then you've just got some little ephemera pieces in there. More vintage book pages, and then you've got a little made with love heart on there, and then we've got one of the other cat images on book pages, and some more ephemera in there. Look at him, isn't he cute with his lovely blue eyes? If Tony was a cat, he would look like him, because he's very smartly dressed and he's got beautiful blue eyes. And then here I have made a booklet. This one has got a booklet in it, the other one didn't, but whereas the other journal was a fabric cover and they've all got different bits in them. So look at this lovely book that I made. It has this gorgeous cat image. It's got some lovely vintage lace, book pages, and this is Tim Holtz paper pad. And then in here you have another pull out cat, and you've got a pocket here, and then you've got writing space here, and that just goes in there. There's lots of collaging going on here. And then on the back, look at him, look. Oh, isn't he smart? Lots of cat images in this book, and this just folds over this page here. So this just goes over the page. So you've got an extra little booklet with this one. Lots of old aged paper in here. Love this. This is from a diary. I don't know if you would have seen the video months and months and months ago that I'd got at a car boot, and I was reading it, and it was a bit saucy. We think they had a bit of a dirty weekend. But this is the lady. She had a little diary and she would write poetry, and this is 1924, so I thought that'd be quite sweet to leave in there. And then I have one of my tuck spots that you can take off like that, and it's got, you can just use it as a tuck spot, and it's got a rusted paper clip and then a piece of ephemera behind there. More of the French vintage book pages, one of the little pocket envelopes. This is what I got from Jan. It's got a little tuck spot. I'm not crazy, my reality is different from yours. That's obviously from Alice in Wonderland. And in here you've got some little note paper to write on as well. So there are lots of little hidey holes in this journal, in all of the journals actually. Right, let's push that in there properly. Get in, there you go. More vintage book pages, the music paper, again with lace. And then this is just a scan of an old postcard, or a Christmas card I think it is, with lovely little pussycats on, and then just some more ephemera. And then you've got the other side of the ledger paper. And you've got lots of pages here to write on. We've got a couple more charms. This is the Edith Holden page, and it's just got a little lock on there, little lock charm. And then the back of this French paper, it's got some lace ruffle on the bottom. And then here I have made a large pocket, and it's got another journaling card, and it has a lovely little flower charm on that. So lots of charms, lots of pockets, lots of little tags and tuck spots. So this is Henrietta. So if you'd like Henrietta, she is £20 and £4 postage to the UK. If you're outside of the UK, let me know and I'll let you know how much the postage is. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Oh look, I'm making a mess of my table. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I just love these cat journals. They are just gorgeous. I'm going to have to make me a whole set of them, I think, as well. Isn't she stunning? Look at her. She's just beautiful. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Oh, by the way, if you do want to purchase her, just leave a comment below or email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com. Okay, take care for now. Bye-bye.